Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to make changes in Infinite Craft. First of all, we add fire. Then wind. Then smoke. Then cloud. Then rain. Take the rainbow to the side. First water. Then water again. Then water. Then earth. Then earth again. It will become a continent. Take site to continent. First water. Then fire. Then water. Take cloud to site. First earth. Then wind. Then earth. Then fire. It will become a sun. Add the sun with cloud. Then add continent with rainbow. It will become America. Take America to the side. First earth. Then wind. Then water. Take mud to the side. First fire. Then wind. Then water. Take fog to the side. First dust. Then earth. Add 4 with planet. Add mud with Venus. It will become atoms. Add mud with atoms. It will become human. Add America with humans. It will become president. Add human with president. It will become Obama. Then add Rambo with Obama. It will become Hope. Then add Hope with Obama. It will become change. Now, you can see change has been created. That's all the way to create change in Infinite Craft. If you want more videos like this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.